Manipur reports 3 new cases of COVID-19. Confirmed cases in Manipur reached 42, out of which 38 are active cases. Two special trains bring 1,660 stranded Manipuris from Bangalore and 1,233 stranded Manipuris from Delhi till Judibam railway station. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren holds discussion with 50 Hill leaders on tackling COVID-19 pandemic, boosting economy after pandemic and others. Congress demands centre and state governments to transfer 10,000 rupees each into bank accounts of migrant workers. Wangkhem MLA K. Megachandra demands state government to provide ambulance for quarantine centres. India reports 6,387 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. Death toll reaches 4,337. And HTC and its allied bodies condemned stir following 3 weeks bail grant to former ADC Chandal chairman Lokose Joe, who was arrested in drug trafficking case. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Manipur has reported 3 new confirmed cases of COVID-19. Confirmed cases in Manipur have reached 42, out of which 38 are active cases so far. 2 men from Thoubal district, 1 who returned from Bangalore, and another, a Gujarat returnee, and 1 Delhi returnee from Imphal West district have tested positive for COVID-19 at VRDL RIMS. "1,660 stranded Manipuris from Bangalore reached Judibam at around 10 last night. Screening of the returnees were hindered due to the inclement weather condition last night. Screening points were damaged by the incessant rain. After completion of necessary screening procedure this morning, the homecoming people left Judibam for their respective districts. 1,233 stranded Manipuris from Delhi also reached Judibam railway station by a special train this afternoon at around 2 p.m. Returnees were provided meals inside the train and they were screened turn by turn at their respective district screening points. After necessary screening procedure, returnees were taken to their respective quarantine centres on buses arranged by the government. Massive police force and IRB personnel deployed by District Administration Judibam and Judibam District Police maintain strict security vigil at the railway station. This special train from Delhi bringing 1,233 stranded people reached Judibam after a long halt at Assam's Badarpur railway station. Passengers also suffered several long halts in Bihar. Earlier in the day, they told Impact News that they were facing problems due to lack of adequate food, masks and hand sanitizers, and that their compartments were filled with litters.
Koje Delhi dagi date 23 da Samri Express da lakhiba kangbu dune ado koje matam koina sangna lambi da pallaga layuna maram orga khoida khudongcha da mayam mayong nar kwai tare ada khoina mask nung ju yang koina sinna koina hu sinna ba yaktre hand sanitizer singba loi chala adana khoida pungde yamna mi pai bam phawre hai tare khogi matung da lakhiba kangbu je moi already yaugre jibam yaugre hai tare aduga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯄꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
वन डे ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯔꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯗे ꯑꯃ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯕꯗ ꯅꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯞ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕꯅ ꯋꯦꯗꯔ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯤꯕꯔꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯋꯦꯗꯔ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯨꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ಮಿꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren today hosted a discussion come lunch with around 50 Hill leaders at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The discussion mainly revolved around effectively tackling pandemic COVID-19 to stimulate economy after the pandemic and other issues faced by the Hill people due to the nationwide lockdown. It resolved to build a small museum of every tribal community each at the cost of rupees 10 lakh at their originating ancient village. Speaking at the meet, the Chief Minister observed that the pandemic can be dealt only with proper awareness. He urged the public to ignore rumors and trust only the advisories and guidelines issued by credible agencies like WHO, ICMR, Health Ministry, Home Ministry, etc. Chief Minister Biren said, as per the advisories of these organizations, persons who have completed 14 days of institutional quarantine or those who have tested negative for COVID-19 may return home. Chief Minister Biren said he is confident that all the infected persons will be cured because the state has capable doctors, nurses and paramedical manpower who are working dedicatedly. He also announced that a heritage park will be built at Kaibulamjao, where the main venue for the annual Manipur Sangai festival will be shifted gradually. Informing that traditional house models of all the communities of Manipur will be kept at the park, Chief Minister Biren urged the Hill leaders to submit the sketch of their traditional houses to the Travel Affairs and Hills Department. The meeting resolved to form a WhatsApp group of community leaders wherein the Chief Minister will also be a member. Congress Party has demanded NDA government at the centre and BJP-led state government to transfer 10,000 rupees each to bank accounts of migrant workers. Speaking to media at Imphaal's Congress Bhavan today, CLP leader cum former Chief Minister Okram Bibobi said All India Congress Committee AICC will launch a nationwide social media campaign titled Speak Up India on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. tomorrow. He said the campaign aims to aware the union government on the plights facing the citizens due to the ongoing nationwide lockdown. He further highlighted the inconveniences facing migrant workers across the country due to lack of work avenues. Oibobi appealed to the centre to increase the number of working days under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employee Guarantee Act, that is MNGNREGA, from 100 days to 200 days in the wake of the current situation.
COVID-19 Masina Ohelaiba, Maruina Laitaba Lairaba, Tolaba Prajasing Haibitare, Aduga migrant workersing, laborsing, Sideda, Piriba, Awabagi Saiteng Haibitare, lockdown Tauba, Ta Ni Henatorba, Masideda, Adugumba, migrant worker, laborsing job loss Waikaba, Singi, Ekaunda, Palising Tara Tara, Kudakta. Keso in a PBU. Aduga Bharat Sarkar Nasul state government Sinasu, Elia Koina, Tanjari Badi Manche, Yam Namaram Saba, Honorable Prime Minister and Lauk Tok Pikriba, 20,000 lakh crore. Madudagi Huzi Tolaba, later Lairaba, labor workers into the Mohi Ekaunda, Palising Tara Tara PB, Keso in a PB Bahai City, Koidi, Aruba Woiroi, Maram Saba, Dimani Haidana, Koidiman Taujari Bani.
PLP leader Okom Ibobi reiterated that MPCC will never accept delimitation based on 2001 census data. He proposed to carry out delimitation without breaking down the existing 60 assembly segments if it has to be carried out. He also said addition of a new assembly segment to highly populated district is acceptable. Ibobi said that as per 2001 census data, a rate of increase in population in some districts of Manipur is 10 to 15% in the last 10 years, while in some districts the rate of increase in population is over 100%, which is improbable. Hence, MPCC has been urging the center not to carry out delimitation based on erroneous 2001 census.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ abnormal ꯑꯣꯏꯕ census 2001 ꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ strongly oppose ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ legally ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ courtꯇꯕꯨ fight ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ like anything ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ 2017 18 19 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ delimitation ꯇꯧꯗꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ base ꯇꯧꯔꯒ delimitation ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ hue and cry ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯗꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ COVID-19 ꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ crisis problem ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯧꯅꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ assembly segment ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ district ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯀꯛꯊꯣꯛ ꯀꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ assembly segment ꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ 60 assembly segment ꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯀꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯍꯟꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ assembly segment ꯍꯨꯝꯐꯨꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ districtꯨꯗ assembly segment ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ.
Wangkhem MLA K. Megachandra has urged Chief Minister Nongthom Ambirin to provide emergency ambulance for quarantine centers of the state. He lamented that staff of Universal College Community Quarantine Center at Yaripok in Thoubal district of Wangkhem constituency faced problems while shifting an inmate of the center who was tested COVID-19 positive last night due to lack of an ambulance. The infected man arrived from Bangalore on May 18. His sample was collected on the day itself and his sample tested positive for COVID-19 last night. MLA K. Megachandra expressed discontentment that the infected person was made to stay for 12 hours at the quarantine center as there was no ambulance to shift him. He appealed to provide ambulance services in quarantine centers to avoid such incidents in the future. He also urged Chief Minister N. Biren to reserve an emergency ambulance for Thoubal district.
Thoubal district is one of the affected district. Thoubal district sigi oina achauba district ama sigi haibatare masigi ambulance ama sarkarna reserve tawraga thambidabase masi yamna nungaite masi sarkarna thambiu loinana Yaripok Universal College da leiriba Thoubal College da leiriba positive oiba case singse athubada hospital da pukhatpiraga treatment haunanaba masi tawbiu haiduna ina sarkarda appeal tawjari.
We have just got the big breaking news. As per the latest report, 2 more people have tested positive for COVID-19 at VRDL Jennings. With this, Manipur has reported a total 5 new cases of COVID-19. Confirmed cases in Manipur reach 44, out of which 40 are active cases. For details, please watch Impact News Manipuri Prime Time for more new details. Now moving on with the other news, Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo has requested a request to Union Cabinet Minister for Human Resource Development, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishak, to allow CBSE Class 12 students of the state to sit more for their remaining examinations conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education from home. The MLA also appealed to the state government to urge the center for the same. Traffic movement is increasing daily despite the nationwide lockdown imposed in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. Heavy traffic jam was even witnessed at Keshampad Junction this afternoon. Restriction on traffic movement by police on the way to Sanjanthong and Secretariat led to a heavy traffic jam at Keshampad till around 2 p.m. Traffic movement slowed down drastically only after 4 p.m. A public awareness program on prevention of COVID-19 was held in various parts of Andhra constituency today. The program was held under the initiative of Chairman of United NGO Forum, Yaidipo Keshampad Ningthemjao. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on updates on coronavirus cases in India and across the world. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News.
You are watching Impact TV. Engaging, empowering, and impacting lives.
Bisleri at your doorstep delivery service. Bisleri drinking water with 10-step quality process. Ozonization for purity with contactless production and packaging. For order related queries, please contact 8787-567-518 or 690-9357-842. With terms and conditions apply. Bisleri at your...
Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Confirmed COVID-19 cases in India increased by 6,387 cases in the last 24 hours. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, total confirmed COVID-19 cases have reached 1,51,767, out of which 83,004 are active cases. 64,425 people have recovered, and altogether 4,337 patients have died so far. Maharashtra is on the top with 54,758 confirmed cases and 1,792 deaths. In Nagaland, 5 new active COVID-19 cases was reported this morning, registering a total of 9 patients. 4 from Manipur and 1 in Kohima. All 5 are Chennai returnees. While Meghalaya has reported another 5 more active cases of COVID-19, bringing the total number of active cases to 7. Globally, coronavirus has infected 57,13,130 people and 3,52,901 people have succumbed to COVID-19, while 24,54,664 people have recovered so far. USA is on the top with 17,25,900 confirmed cases and total deaths of 1,625 so far. USA reported 625 new cases today. Over 30,000 people have returned to India on 158 flights from different countries under Vande Bharat mission until Monday. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said more than 10,000 people have flown out of India on 164 flights, and another 49,000 people will be able to fly till mid-June 2020 under the mission. Migrants are being sent back on a very large scale to their native places by the railways. A senior railway official said that special Shramik trains are being run from states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Delhi, and around 45 lakhs migrants have been transported from one place to another. According to the official, concession in railway fares will only be given to patients and Divyajigans in reservation, and no other concession will be available for any other citizens, while senior citizens could avail preference in lower berths. Hill Tribal Council HTC More, Kuki Students Organization More Block, Kuki Women's Union and Human Rights More, More Youth Club and Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee have condemned those who are against the bail grant to Luko Sejo. Speaking to media at HTC office in More today, HTC President Joseph Ginkosai said that the court should be allowed to carry on fair trial on the case and to avoid befitting punishment if he is found guilty. He warned that HTC, along with various civil society organizations, will carry out extreme agitation if those concerned continue to interfere the case. Joseph strongly condemned a former NAB additional SP for disrespecting the judiciary by calling Lukosejo a drug lord even before the court has come to any verdict.
ADC Chandil Chairman Lukusei Joe Mana interim bill Pangle Haraga Kanagumba individual Sangstan organization Krana object to Busi Aquina Yaning Daba Hongtok Chari. Interim bill Pangbisi Aqui Damagdi Yamna Nungaiba Pauni Law Nabu Chumlak Traba Aqui Tumin Leroy Natay Chadana Tonganna Aqui Burum the Chatlak Pataragadi Aqui Notoba Yaba Makai Togani Ninda Togani Strike Togani Achumba Tolak Ripova.
Human Rights Council Manipur HRCM also strongly condemns insulting the judiciary through social media, referring to unwanted FB post over 3 weeks bail granted to an accused in a drug case. HRCM in a press release said any order or ruling passed by the court of law cannot be justified on social media. It said public concern have right to raise their grievances on or demands to the High Court through proper channel. HRCM also demands to know why most of the investigating officers of drug-related cases have failed to submit charge sheet to the concerned court within stipulated time and why public prosecutors fail to ask for the same. Road connectivity was cut off for a few hours this morning due to a landslide triggered by last night's heavy rainfall on Imphal-Jiri Road, National Highway 37, 2 kilometers ahead of Sejong village in Kotlang area. Police team led by New Kaithelmanbi Police Station OC J.K. Haukip inspect the site this morning. The team used JCB to clear the debris and normalize traffic movement along the road. A team of Transporters Driver Council, TDC, and All Manipur Road Transport and Drivers Workers Union also arrived and extended help. Speaking to media, TDC's President H. Ranjit said the team arrived to ease movement of the stranded vehicles and commuters. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of All Manipur Road Transport and Drivers Worker Union, M. Anil, urged the state government to take necessary preventive measures to mitigate landslide in the wake of monsoon.
ngarang ahing dagi nong kan tamana manum orekanda passenger puba busing truck sing kai sing khali chatpasu ka ju thingi haiba de khoi lakchabani hairiba mafun je khoina yom matamda JCB ahum changdana kan momong da lambi singdo me tatok chajin tawde hoji problem leitre makhata na adum chathabada akaiba leroina khali adugo hoji hoji chu bus leptana iribalom dagi thogjele adu chu khoi sa yauna tawrakanda busing si thagalang na honajari Imphal yona lakpada mateng oina ba haidana khoina haiba lambi ji thuna clear tongna baina khoi lakchabani
mafam si ahum ni ahum tawsi ate declare ore nungbagi area da khara tawbani haiba sejangi mafam sichu ngasi ayuktagi yam kanna mayam changna honabadagi sichu musamak ayuktagi leiraga mafam sida chawu thodang lobidana laiba passenger gari singsi fazana clear oina lale Manipur government su nongju pantha oibanina landslide tawba jaga sing asi paw athu matamda fauna biraga laiba passenger jing puraiba amdi truck sing chalam thangna holiba mayam singse clear oina chanana ba honorable CM su puning jingsin binani haijari
OC of New Kaithelmanbi Police Station K. Haukip said his team rushed to the site this morning and cleared the debris to finally resume traffic movement.
Hoi control dagi pau pire sumai tawna landslide tawbadagi gari passenger mapandagi lakba changba yadre highway maram da ega team mafam sida changsele mafam sida pandar leirame ithak thungba officer na advice tawu matungda sira leiriba JCB araiba singse phajilaga apanba leitana chatnangai azuk pung manga dagi honnare hujikdi ayamba loina bak chatnare.
Aimol Students Union Manipur SUM Assum loaded villages of Aimol Chadong Pokpi, Aimol Kulel, Aimol Kudamphai and Aimol Ngairong under Aimol-Sengwai area for repairing the 3-kilometer stretch of road from Laithok Hill till Aimol Kulel. Speaking to media, Alsum President S. Kuminthang Aimol said people of the area faced various inconveniences as the road remained unattended for long by the government. Producer of Manipur feature film, Kurai Angaubi and Mobile Film Distribution Center arrested a gang who sold pirated DVDs of the film produced by Jugeshwari Sairam and directed by Sudhir Kangjam. The arrested people are identified as 31-year-old K.H. Rocky, son of late K.H. Rotamani from Yaripok Ngangtha, 38-year-old T.H. Herojit, son of T.H. Thoiba, and 47-year-old Gurumayum Samananda, son of G. Thoiba from Yaripok, Leirong Thel Pitra. Speaking to media, proprietor of Mobile Film Distribution Center, Haikam Jayanta Kumar said that the film Kurai Angaubi was released on May 15 and was uploaded on Mobile Film Distribution Center MFDC application, and one can watch on the app by paying ₹40, but it was never released on DVD. Acting on a tip-off that DVD of the film is widely available at Yaripok area, the producer along with the team of Andhra Police hunted for the miscreants. He said legal actions will be taken against the miscreants. He appealed to
Manipur DVD thari basing asi DVD amabu lairagadi yengba yare yengba yarabanina akhoi adum akhoi gi oirabani internet ta upload tawba yare Facebook da load tawba yare YouTube da load tawba yarabani haidana mayam da thadoklabani haidana masumai tawna aran ba wakhal amakhak laibasi akhoi MFDC side sengdokjage madu khanbi ganu maramdi akhoina MFDC na amasung atopa DVD gi stockist na thaba lairagasu masi only watch right haibadi yengbiu nungai biu patha biu re-uploading amasung redistributing miyam da chaikhaina ba reselling gi damakta puthokpa nate unauthorized oina sales tawna puthokchaba nate authorized oina sales tawbiu Manipur film bu conminasi Manipur film industry bu chakhopada mateng pangbiu Manipur film bu
K.H. Rocky, who took a major role in the piracy, apologized for his action. He appealed to the people who bought DVDs of the film from him to destroy the DVD and tell them to take their own risks if they are caught with the DVD.
Kurai Angaubi hairu film asi MFDC dagi copy tawraga piracy oina thadok charore aina thadok khiba pod adudagi phangbiba mi gaina kese sing adu mangan bigo matung tarakpa phaba khotpa tawba lakpa tarabadi adugi responsibility nasana sana daita pubigadabni aigidi asi awaba si phange the mayam phanganingda haijabani.
We regret to inform you that Impact TV broadcast was halted for some time in Thawal area today due to breakage of Impact TV's optical fiber near Manipur University Gate in Kanchipur at around 11 a.m. today. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur reports 5 new cases of COVID-19. Confirmed cases in Manipur reach 44, out of which 40 are active cases. Two special trains bring 1,660 stranded Manipuris from Bangalore and 1,233 stranded Manipuris from Delhi till Jiribam railway station. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren holds discussion with 50 Hills leaders on tackling COVID-19 pandemic, boosting economy after pandemic and others. Congress demands centre and state governments to transfer 10,000 rupees each into accounts of migrant workers. Wangkhem MLA K. Megachandra demands state government to provide ambulance for quarantine centres. India reports 6,387 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. Death toll reaches 4,337. And HTC and its allied bodies condemned steer following 3 weeks bail grant to former ADC Chandil chairman Lukusoi Jo, who was arrested in drug trafficking case.